Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and DHCP is not enabled for the Wi-Fi and both Ether also. So how to fix these issues? So I giving you step-by-step solutions. Okay guys. So firstly click to start button, go to setting. Then guys click to system, scroll down, click to troubleshoot. Then guys click to other troubleshoot. Then guys click to network and install so run list. So you can restart your PC and like this router restart. This is the solutions. Okay. Then guys close. Then guys second solution. Click to start run type services. And right click to run as administrator. Then guys press D. DHCP client. Restart. Then okay. Okay. Then guys second solutions. Right click to Windows icon, go to device manager, expect network adapter, and right click to Wi-Fi adapter and select the update drivers. Okay, Wi-Fi driver, right click to update and automatically. Okay, then closes. I already updated. Then guys next solutions. Windows R, type ncpa.cpl. Okay, so this is Ether, and you can Ether and Wi-Fi also. Right click to disable and again right click to enable. Okay, again Windows R, and again CPL. Right click to Wi-Fi, click to properties, IP version 4, select automatically, do not select this one. Okay, automatically, this is also automatically, and then okay, okay. Okay guys, then close. Again click to start button, type control panel, open control panel. Then guys view by category, system, firewall, turn off Windows Defender firewall. So please turn off Windows Defender firewall. Okay, then guys, okay, and please restart your system. Your problem will be 100% solved. If any issue, so please comment me, I will support you.